Chutku treat time. Look at the way he's holding it. I usually give them 1 or 2 cashew nuts as a treat only. It is not suggested as a food as it contains high fat content which is not good for the birds. I have posted videos on parrot and cockatiel diets before. Please go through the video list. You're done? One more. Take one more. Nom 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 nom. Hope you enjoyed the video like Chutku enjoyed his cashew nut. You can find many cute and informative parrot videos in my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for watching.